Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve time series analysis with IBM easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, gather your time series data. Make sure your data is in a suitable format, such as CSV or Excel. Next, log in to your IBM Cloud account. Navigate to the IBM Watson Studio dashboard. Create a new project by clicking Create a Project. Select the appropriate project type for your analysis. Once the project is created, upload your dataset. Click on the Assets tab to view your uploaded data. Next, choose Notebooks from the options presented. Start a new notebook by clicking on New Notebook. Select either Python or R as your programming language. Once your notebook is open, import the required libraries. For Python, you can use libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. For R, consider libraries such as Forecast, ggplot2, and dplyr. Load your time series data into the notebook. Use Pandas in Python or red.csv in R to import your data. Examine the data's structure and ensure it is clean. Check for missing values and handle them as needed. Now, visualize the time series data with plots. Utilize Matplotlib in Python or ggplot2 in R for visualization. Look for any seasonality, trends, or patterns in the data. Next, pre-process the data by formatting the date column. Ensure the date is recognized as a datetime object. If using Python, set the date as the index of your data frame. In R, use the TS function to create a time series object. After pre-processing, divide your dataset into training and testing sets. Keep around 70 to 80% of the data for training. Now, select an appropriate model for your analysis. Common options include ARIMA, seasonal decomposition, or profit. Train your model using the training dataset. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.